What's up, guys? What's up, David? What's up, Mark? Ab, Stone Cold, Cryptomoto, Bren, David, Chad. What's up, guys? What's up, Nick? How's your day going?
Wonderful, man. Had a
Yeah.
good day today.
Yeah, guys, were you guys able to hear that at all? That new intro or whatnot? We had one of our community members actually make that, so I want to highlight it and give it a go. I don't know if I did it any justice by applying it the right way, but I tried. But yeah, guys, did you guys see that? You guys want to see that again? It wasn't bad. I thought it was pretty good. By the way, what's up? What's up, Aro? You guys were able to hear that? Look, we'll check it out. Right there, I think, but I think we can work on it. I'm also looking, guys, shout outs to our friends in Discord that helped us do that. We're also looking for anybody who's an artiste, such of that nature. If you guys are artists that do stuff like that, guys, we are looking for work to be given out to people. So if you guys have skills, let Nick know, let myself know. Speaking of skills, today we're going to give you guys our skills on what's happening in the crypto market, what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem, because this is the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We try to give you guys content each and every day. I'm sorry for the late start. I had a field trip to go to, a 2nd grade field trip to go to with my son to the zoo. And it's, man, I did a lot of walking, Nick. I did a lot of walking. I didn't think the zoo was that freaking big, bro. And they were moving. They were like, we got to see this. We got to see the rhinos. We got to see the giraffes. And we got to keep going. And I was like, I'm out of breath. I just want to look at the damn giraffes. Stop moving, people. But yeah, guys, I do apologize. I apologize to you, Nick, for starting late. We're going to jump on into things, though. First and foremost, we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily using Market Cipher like we're always using. Let's take a look at it, guys. Basically $39,000 is what we're trading at. Trying to recover a little bit of the momentum or the price action that we lost over the past, not 48 hours, but over the past day or so. I still see, to be honest with you guys, looking at Market Cipher B down here, I do still see the room for more downwards momentum. Now, so far on the day today, we are green. It is up 2.33%. I don't think we necessarily have found an absolute floor just yet. Nick, do you agree?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Still some more downwards. Basically what we're trying to say is don't be fooled, guys. Don't be fooled. Just because there is a little bit of a bounce on the downwards motion that we had, that doesn't mean that there isn't some more downward motion to be had, guys. That's the way the market goes. The market just doesn't fall forever. Every once in a while, there's going to be little bounces. But even though it's bouncing, I do think that the likelihood of us coming back down, realistically, guys, to about... Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the Market Cipher. Let's take a look at Market Cipher A real quick. Let's take a look. I think realistically, guys, we can come down to about 37, 36 even, lower section of this wedge pattern that we've been in for a while. And we could easily test those levels. We could even fall below that, guys. But right around 36, 37 is the bottom section of this overall triangle that we've been in for some time. We could come down there, test it, thread through it even, kind of like go in and out, hopefully do something like this, right? Still make that movement to the upside, up and out of this wedge pattern over the next couple of months. But realistically, guys, we could still come down to this level. And yeah, that means we still have, another $2,000 or so to go. Let's look at volume, actually. What does the volume look like, guys? Man. Pardon me, by the way. So I just got out of jiu-jitsu as well. Look, I didn't even change, guys. I just got out of jiu-jitsu, so I was like, I'm dying. Guys, I don't know. We are still, we're seeing some pretty good selling pressure come in. We are seeing some pretty solid selling pressure come in. Now, the crazy thing that I'm seeing on the daily for Bitcoin is we are seeing, look at these strong wicks. It's so, I'm conflicted, guys. Wicks get me conflicted all the time. We're seeing some good support, but man, It is just coming in. And if we go to the weekly, we did have a blood diamond right there on the weekly that needs some time to play out, guys. Like on a weekly, I would at least give it 3 to 4 times, like a month time for it to fully play out. Like legitimately on the weekly chart too, we've never had a blood diamond on Bitcoin's chart. Like as scary as that is, we've never actually freaking had that happen. At least not on this Coinbase chart. Nick, what levels are you looking for Bitcoin at least?
So first level, I guess, right, is 35, 36. And then after, if that breaks, we're looking at 30, 29. And if that breaks, we're looking at 25, 23.
And that would be 25, 23 would be, let's see here, guys. I know I'm ready. You guys, look, I've been sharing this for months now, almost a year now in my Discord. I am ready for that price action to go down there. But if we get that, what is that from here? So basically where we are right now, this is just an average. But if we get, that's another 40% basically. 40% could happen. Like realistically could happen from the tippy top of price action down to there. That would give us a 70% dip. Now, the likelihood of that happening, I'm going to say probably not as much as, 30,000. I mean, I'm still sticking with strong support's going to come in around 28 to $30,000. Let's just give you guys, some cushion. $28 to $30,000 is going to be strong support for Bitcoin's price action. But we have like strong movements. Like, let's just talk about it. I know a lot of people kind of like don't want to talk about it on the YouTube channel, but Russia has recently come out and they've, regardless if you believe them or not, have basically been in a proxy war now with all of NATO and all of Western society, basically saying and threatening to anybody getting involved with their conflict with Ukraine, or with their war with Ukraine, I should just call it for what it is, that they are threatening nuclear response. Like if you try to meddle. And guys, if that happens, and if that is like a card on the table, you bet your bottom dollar that we could literally see a $15,000 to $20,000 Bitcoin. Bet your bottom dollar we can see that, guys. On top of that, we've shared with you guys just recently what we think the Fed is going to be doing over the next couple of months, basically throughout the summer. They are going to do what they need to do to make sure that the market takes care of itself. They won't be directly the ones to push the button, but they will be the ones to like strongly urge everybody in the markets to push their own buttons. And like, guys, if they increase rates as strongly as they are, threatening to do, again, you don't think that it can't happen. It can damn well happen. And I want you guys to be prepared for that. So not financial advice. You do you, different strokes, different folks, but I'm not a total bear or anything like that. Again, I do think $30,000 would probably be, strong support for Bitcoin, but I want to make you guys aware of the situations at hand. We've been telling you guys to have dry powder on the side for some time now. I've been telling you guys about the 200 SMA break strategy for Bitcoin. If you guys have been watching my show, I've been calling out $30,617 for a long freaking time. And we could literally do that. It's happened in the past. Once the 200 SMA doesn't hold up as support, that is the average that we'll find on the charts for Bitcoin for us to, start forming a flooring position on Market Cipher B. So again, just want to let you guys know that's a realistic thing. Not to be total bearish though, so I won't, stick too long on that topic, but I do want to let you guys know those are still on the, they're cards on the table. They're still at play. Those are levels that are still valid. Anybody tells you differently hasn't been around long enough, or isn't playing with enough money to actually take it seriously. Like when it comes to yours and my money, guys, I take it dead seriously. So when I'm saying this stuff to you guys, please at least consider it and do your own due diligence and prove me wrong if you want to prove me wrong, or, prove me right. Go out there and look at the information that's out there on chain, look at the information that's out there given by the feds, and find out what's happening on a global scale. It's all, but the writing's on the wall. It's on the wall. This year is going to kind of suck. I do believe it's a setup for the later part of this year when the Fed allows everything to start recovering. I think that, at the end of this year, we are going to have a pretty good rally. But if we take a look at CoinGlass right here, AKA Bybit's charts, and you take a look at the 24-hour long versus shorts, guys, look at this right here. 51%, it changed from yesterday, guys. 51.21% short overall for Bitcoin over a 24-hour period, guys. Only 48% of people are long right now. So, until the trend is not your friend, pay attention to it, guys. There's some things that could be setting up. There could be things setting up for rallies here and there in between all of that stuff, guys. You guys know short squeezes happen. People, not just bulls, but bears also get kind of overexcited, overextended, over leveraged, overplayed, and stuff like that. So there might be short squeezes, small micro ones in between all of this stuff. But guys, seriously, let the, in my opinion, rest of the summer kind of play out, and then let the market tell you where it's at, and then it's on you to figure out how you want to play it. Right now, I'm in strong accumulations. Like, I'm accumulating Bitcoin, I'm accumulating ETH, Atom, Juno, all these other things. But, I'm patiently waiting for my levels. Now, let's go back to those levels. Again, guys, we're flirting with $39,000 for Bitcoin. I told you 30,000 is where I'm first looking to start DCAing strongly for Bitcoin. That's on the 200 SMA strategy. Also, its previous support and or resistance. And then, of course, if you look at our wedge pattern that we've been sharing with you guys for some time, it is the lower section that we could probably get from this wedge pattern. Again, if you go ahead, I just screwed it all up, Nick. Look at that. I screwed it all up. But if you
just click on done.
Oh, I could have done. Where's it at? Look at that. Fancy. I always forget that magic button's there, guys. But taking the opening from here, guys, from price action, again, just we could see it easily come down there. So again, that's where I'm watching. That's where I'm watching right now on the charts, guys. Moving on. Let's quickly talk about ETH. 2865. Another place that I'm looking for, guys. 48.88%. Total average move down. We could move all the way down to about 1876. That's where I'm strongly DCAing. I'm actually going to start DCAing right on this lower, which was resistance trend line right here, right around 2260 to 2250-ish. But then again, I'm going to start DCAing all the way down, guys, if it gives it to me.
I have a controversial opinion on ETH, even though I hold majority ETH.
Shoot it.
I think we're going to see ETH at $600 again.
Why you say that?
I just have this weird feeling this summer. I know they've pushed back the delays and all that, but there's...
The delay did not help at all.
No. And I mean, just how everybody, just macro-wise, right? It's not looking good. And I think that it all ties in with Bitcoin and ties in with the rest of the market. I also have a lot of controversial topics on Atom and Luna, but I think $600 ETH probably more than likely going to happen.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about all of it. So $600 is going to be right about here. It's right about here. Well, let's just put a freaking line on the chart, guys. By the way, I'm gonna really try not to swear. I noticed over the past couple videos, I've been swearing a lot because I've been getting heated with the CCN Juno thing and all this other stuff, guys. I'm going to try to tone it down a little bit. I don't think YouTube appreciates that. So I got to bend the knee. I got to bend the knee a little. But yeah. So I'm going to say all kinds of weird stuff like snickerdoodles and stuff like that instead of swearing. But if you take a look at that line right there, guys, that's basically, I'm putting 557, but that's basically previous resistance, and short-term support. So, I mean, I could see it. I could definitely see it. If we actually, you know what's an easy way to do that? Let's do this. Let's do this. Whap. Oh, no, I did the wrong tool. Guys. There. Let's go. Whap. To the bottom of the floor. And I don't see it anymore. Oh, I don't know, man. The fib lines don't even go that low. They don't even go that low, bro. I don't know. Let's do one more thing. Let's do it here. Yeah, see, I'm doing these fibs, guys. I'm coming down here, gonna start really DCAing again right about 2150. Like I said, I'll DCA all my lines here and in between here and here. I'm not saying that you're wrong, Nick, but yeah, it's $600 bucks. whew, man, you guys better be ready to scoop up some more. That's like getting a freaking blessing thrown in your lap. Anyway, let's move on. Let's move on to our favorite cousin, Luna. Again, I have a hard time thinking it can come down here, guys. 50 SMA strategy, though, not the 200 SMA, but the 50 SMA strategy is telling me that we could literally see it come down 59.77%. That would bring us all the way down to about $36. I am watching these levels, though, the 200 SMA, guys, the 200 SMA. This also is about around 63, which I set up alert. That's where I'm going to be buying some more. And then I'll be DCAing in between here and this last section, which is my 50 SMA strategy. That's just me. That is just me where I'm looking at. Guys, do you guys think Luna can even come down that far? I would buy some whole coins at 600 for real. Yeah, if ETH came down to 600, you better count that as a freaking like extra Christmas that you're getting.
For Luna also, I think we're going to see probably below that 36. That 36 is going to be a great
How do you think
buyer.
that? Why do you think that?
I just, you know what? Everybody said this run is not going to be like the same, but this is 100% going to be the same run as 2017. 100%. And if you go back to 2017, those retracements are ridiculous. 90, 92%, 91%, 94, 96, 97.
See, guys, me and Nick don't agree about everything. So let me ask you this. What about the, because you know the kind of argument everybody's gonna say is there's more money now. There's literally way more money invested, and there's institutional monies as well as nation states now and all this other jazz, blah blah blah. What would you say to those people? Because
that's cool. I listen, institutional money has been around in Bitcoin since 2015. That's like when the first like recorded, I guess, of institutional money has come in. So you're telling me those guys haven't been playing this game the whole time?
But to this level? To this level of money?
Yeah, of course, dude. They have more money than God. Let's be honest.
Well, let me actually let's take a look at this, guys. Not that we believe. Oh wait, it always takes me to CoinGecko because I like CoinGecko so much better than Coin Market Cap. What is this? Get away. Isn't there something here, guys? Let's actually for this really this I love these kind of conversations. Nick the Bear. Everybody's like Nick the Bear.
Yeah.
No, but you guys gotta hear him. You guys gotta hear him out, guys, because these are the like bears don't get eaten alive like some of these other people. Like you guys being overly conservative or overly bearish or whatever you want to call it saves your ass sometimes. And look, YouTube, it's not a bad word, so please. But there is something here, isn't there, where you can actually go back and see the charts or like the calendar of you know what, we should do that. We should look up the calendar to see like how much money was in the market in 2017. What was the total market cap in 2017 for the overall crypto space? Isn't there there's some historical snapshots? Can we do that? Okay, wait. Excuse me, guys. I'm dying.
760 billion.
Does it? Is there no place that it shows it right here, like in? Did you already look it up? What was it? It was 900 bill at the peak.
There you go.
So like, it's nowhere near. It was nowhere near the same market cap that we have right now. Nowhere near the same amount of money that was in right now. Because I don't care what anybody says. Retail, like honestly, guys, I'm retail. Nick's retail. Everybody's retail. I'm not putting us down. But honestly, guys, we don't mean spit. When it comes to, we don't come even close to making up the market cap in the grand scheme of things, in my humble opinion. But I don't know, man. I gotta say, like, I don't think that.
So my question to you is: do you think we're going to see under $1 trillion market cap ever again?
Do I think we'll ever see $1 trillion market cap?
Like
under $1 trillion?
Under, yeah.
No.
You really?
Yeah, no. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say no. Well, okay. There's caveats to this. Yes, we could see it happen. Obviously, like if the powers that be just regulate the hell out of it, kill it, just destroy everything, EMP go off, blah blah blah, all this other stuff, like the total super bearish, everything aligns correctly. Yeah, I mean, of course. Like I'm not so blind to the fact that this is crypto and this is the wild wild west. Anything can happen. Could definitely happen. I mean, I'm prepared for me to lose it all. Like honestly, like that's investing, right? If you're not prepared to literally see it go to zero, you should not be in this game. Like if you don't think that that's literally a possibility, then you're very much delusional. It could definitely happen. Now, when I say, do I think the market cap will ever go below that? I'm going by averages and I'm going by statistics and I'm going by the money in the market and I'm going by, a bunch of other things. And I'm going to say my answer is no. No.
Okay, can we just go to TradingView and then go to the...
Excuse me. Sorry for coughing you guys'
No.
face. Whatever.
Oh, go to the total. Total with Bitcoin and all that.
Total 3? What is it? I think I have total 3.
I think it's total 1.
Is it total... Isn't it total 3? Total
That
1.
excludes Bitcoin. Total 1.
Total 1.
Or it's just total, maybe? I don't know.
I think it's total 3. Is it not, guys? I'm pretty... Wow, that's weird that it just showed up like that. Well, just, yeah, they didn't even show me the thing. That's pretty weird.
Go out to the weekly.
Okay.
Now, is the yellow, is that bottom line your
Right,
200?
right, yeah. 200's 806. Yeah. This is 19. This is 20. The Corona dump thing right here. Yeah, I mean, like I said, caveat to it, if everything lines up. But like, you got to think, like, so the times that it's happened before and goes down below the 200 SMA, right? Or the 200 right there. That's when Black Swan. That's like...
Yeah, but even the bear market of 2018, it touches it. You know what I mean? Like...
Yeah, but I'm still going to say... Not the same market, not the same freaking market. Like I'm just gonna say, like I'm of that camp. Not the same. It's an ever evolving, fluid, alive, living, breathing thing, right? Like if things don't necessarily repeat themselves but rhyme, it could come close to that. But I don't think that it's going to happen. I could be wrong, but I just don't think it's going to happen. Nick's. And it's fine. Like I'm not gonna call you like more bearish than me or nothing like that. But that's totally like I understand where you're coming from with it. I totally understand where you're coming from with it. Could it happen? Hell yeah, it could. Hell freaking yeah, it could. I just don't see it happening. I just don't see it like. I don't want to spend too much more time. Actually, you know what? That is a good topic to talk about. We should go back and take a look at like a bunch of different key factors to that conversation, right? Like I would be interested to know like how much did BlackRock have? How much did Grayscale? How much did all these, Fidelity? How much did all of these people? How much did Market Cipher have? How much did Doquant or the Terra Foundation have and all this other stuff? How much was the holdings? How much were they invested and all this other stuff? Like it's interesting. You got it. When you're talking about those kind of things, you have to take all of those factors into mind, right? Like you have to. But yeah. Let's do that, Nick. Let's actually, because I don't think you're totally out of the ballpark for saying that. And I might be totally out of the ballpark for saying I don't think it's going to happen. But yeah, we'll go back and we'll talk about that in detail in a different video where we actually have more information readily available to talk about both sides. Look at everybody talking. Yeah, let's go into where were we, Nick? We were talking about Luna. Yeah, we were talking about Luna, right?
Yeah.
So 88.72. We already told you guys where we're looking out for. Let's talk about Atom 21.34. Basically, write down, guys. Write down to the line right where I told you guys that I would consider, and I am considering starting to DCA. I have not just yet. Actually, I lie. I actually bought a little bit on stream, but I started a feeler buy. But I'm looking to buy in between these levels right here, 17, and basically where we're at right now. Yeah, guys, it's everything's coming into play. Everything that we've been prepping for has been coming into play for Atom. Any questions at all? I know we've talked about it ad nauseum for these charts, guys. Anything at all that you guys want to talk about?
Do we know what? So I tried to look on the weekly for Atom. Is there a chart that goes back further?
I don't think I know of one.
If anybody knows, can anybody let us know in the chat?
Sorry, guys. I'm trying to stay hydrated with fluids and all kind of juicy vitamins and all that stuff. Made a small Atom purchase yesterday. Nice, Scott. Zen got fire. What's up, Ryu? Or does YouTube not have a like Twitch? No, there's a like button down in the bottom, guys. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe if you guys aren't subscribers. We try to put out content each and every day, Monday through Friday, letting you guys know our thoughts on the market, how we're dealing with things and what we're looking at, as well as specifically diving into the Cosmos ecosystem. So please, if you like all of that, help us out, help us grow, guys. Subscribe to the channel, also visit us on Twitter, guys. Visit us on Twitter. Nick, if you actually have that link, could you post that in chat for them to like and or follow? The MACD on the weekly total looks pretty. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's totally out of the question though of what Nick's saying. Liam B, I don't think we will see anything more than wicks into the 20s on BTC at worst. Yeah, I think if we do see movement into the 20s, it will be more likely than wicks than anything, than bodies of candles. I do agree with you on that one. But, like Nick is trying to tell people, like, when you think things can't happen, that's when the market goes, oh yeah, hold my beer. Like, seriously. And then it goes, Nyink. Let's go into a couple of things, guys. Evmos is live. Nick, have you guys, again, I have not been able to actually fully prepare for everything, guys. Apologies. I know, guys, I'm so unprofessional. But Evmos is live right now. Is anybody experienced with Evmos? Have any of you guys gone and, checked it out? Nick, have you checked it out?
Went on their website, connected my wallet. That's about it.
Share me the link. Let's do this.
It's on their. So if you just go on their homepage, it's right there. Evmos.org. There you go.
Where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
Oh, wait, did I? Yeah, I clicked.
No. Didn't it take you to the app? Worked for me earlier.
Why nobody send me to the right place? Is it this?
No, that's their Telegram.
Oh, wait, no. Nope, wasn't eligible for the
it's so if you scroll down, it says 59 minutes ago, just a little bit more down.
Where?
It's 59 minutes ago, so you're gonna have to go back a little further. Right below, one more. There you go. Got wrecked. There you go.
Oh, accept. We're doing this live. Connected the wallet. Connecty. I'm gonna do this over here. Connecty. Is it working? No? Yes? Did it work?
Yeah, it's connected. I mean, you have your tokens claimed, how many tokens are claimable, but the staking and all that, I don't think is live yet.
Oh, okay, right there. Blah, blah, blah. Staking not live, guys. They're making sure people aren't getting a whole bunch. How much did you get, Nick? You don't have to. Did you get a whole bunch? I know you had a whole bunch of ETH stuff going on. I did not have as much ETH transactions as compared to some people. So.
Oh, MetaMask. I don't really use my ETH on MetaMask. To be honest with you.
You smart. That's why.
Yeah.
You super smart.
But from my claimable tokens, I got 800.
Nice. Total tokens claimable 631. Okay, well, I'm not that bad, I guess. You know, I'm not a super guys. I like ETH for what it is, but like using it was something totally different to me. Like I didn't use ETH all as much as some people did. Like fucking I swore, dang it, I swore. I just did not really ever believe that ETH was that great to use for transactions and stuff like that. So I did not transact as much on the ETH network than some people did. I know a lot of you guys probably got a whole bunch of wreck though. I'm happy. Yay, we have Evmos up and running. Actually, let's take a look at something real quick. See if I can do this on the side real quick with you guys. Because I had it staked. Is it staked? Is it Nick, you're saying it's not stakeable yet on Kepler again?
Yeah, staking isn't live yet. I think they said 5 to 6 days or something.
Boo. Because I am staking my stuff right now on Kepler. And I can claim. Can I claim it? Oh, guys, I got another 44 Evmos ready to be claimed because I was in on that staking stuff early before they shut it down on me. Quitters. Bunch of quitters. Dude, I was loving it, man. I was like, oh, look at this go. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We're gonna have to take a look at this later. Pass airdrop mission claims staking. Oh, let's see. Look, I can claim it. Let me claim it. Let me claim it. You're not gonna let me claim it, are you? Just let me claim it.
If you actually can claim it, you can go make a real nice bag on Kronos Finance.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Did it just let me do it?
I don't know how you can transfer it over there though.
Yeah, guys, I got it. I'll have to take a look at it. Like, the vast majority of my stuff is already freaking staked, but yeah. Click on staking. Guys, actually, one of the projects, I want to talk about it real quickly, is Diffusion. We've been talking about being on their testnet and stuff like that, guys. It is up now. Take a look at them, guys. Like, honestly, take a look at their platform. I've been playing around on their testnet. It was pretty fun. But yeah, you guys can find that right there on Twitter. What's up, Charles? What's up, Matt? Mark, 407. Nice, 407. Bands Quest. I love it. Staking is live. I just claimed my rewards and restake. Nice. Med. Oh, what? How much are you getting on Kronos Finance? Fudge. What? How do we get there? Tell us, Med. How do we get there? I think $18 was very possible for Adam. Yeah, definitely. I think that's definitely possible. Have you charted Secret before? Just curious. Yeah, I definitely have. Take a look at this right here. As you can see, I'd been charting Secret for quite a bit, actually. And look how we come down a few times. I haven't shared this screen in a long time. Look how we came down through these lines. Boop, wicked right down to it, pumped, coming back down to it right now. Guys, I like Secret. I know a lot of people are super bullish, especially for Shade and Silk and all this other stuff. Like, I'm not ultra bearish. Let me just say this right now on Secret. But Secret has to fix a couple of things, in my humble opinion, before I get super, super bullish on it again. Like, I'm looking for in between here for accumulation for Secret. I'm not buying any more. I've accumulated down here, luckily. But I'm looking to accumulate here and through this section right here. I really do think that could actually happen. As you get to see, I'm prepared for even lower than that on the charts and then some. But, you know, it might not even come down to there. But that's where I would be reaccumulating is just basically previous support and a resistance in the past. Link on the Evmos dashboard. Oh, really? Get out of here. Where? I'll have to take a look at it after. Then again, we want to talk about raw. Guys, I'll take a look at the Evmos stuff later. How much raw are you guys getting? You guys getting a lot? Are you guys getting a lot of raw? For my one wallet, I'm getting not like an absorbent amount or anything like that, but I'm getting a decent amount, I think. Claim me. Yeah, it's not like I've seen some people with like 100,000 raw. I'm like, what the hell? But for my one main wallet here that I share with you guys, not bad. Super excited about it. Yeah, it's pretty good. Super excited about it. Are you guys, I've seen a lot of people's game plan on how they're going to deal with it. Like, obviously if you go back and look at some of these other drops that we've had for DEX, tokens and stuff like that, like some people are saying they're going to sell it all immediately and then buy the dip. Are you guys doing the same thing, or are you guys just going to go stake it, or what are you guys doing? What are you doing, Nick? Don't follow us just because we're saying what we're going to do. You guys got to do you, not financial advice.
I'm giving it all away.
I'm trying not to spit my drink out while he says he's giving it away because I don't understand what he means. What do you mean by that? You giving some away? I know you said you're going to give some away in a giveaway.
Yeah.
You're going to stake some though, right?
Maybe. We'll see.
You're going to sell it?
Who knows? I haven't made a decision yet. I'm still 50-50 on how I feel about the project.
I think I might. Yeah, liquidity is going to be thin. I wouldn't splash the pot. If you guys are like of the like mind like me where I have to take some kind of profits, don't try to splash the pot because liquidity is going to be really thin at first. Yeah, but I might take some profits for sure. Got to ensure that you're a winner, but I might just stake the rest of it too and just be like, whatever. I got to see the tokenomics. I got to see the structure, man. Can't connect Kepler on Chronos. Really? Can't connect Kepler on Chronos. So what do you need to transfer it from Evmos to a Chronos wallet? We're going to have to take a look at that because that's insane. If Meta is telling me that we're going to get that much percent, I got to look at it, dude. Got to look at it, Nick. When giveaway? Nick, when giveaway? Sell it all, buy the dip.
May 1st, whenever it drops. That's the day I'll post it up.
My eyes itching. I'm dying. Staking some in Juno raw pool, then selling a bunch and taking profits to see if it can catch the floor. Yeah, I think so. Don't copy me. I think what I'm going to do is split it up into quarters, and I think I will recognize some kind of gains, 25%. And then for the other 25%, I might just go and put it in a pool and see what happens. And then the other 50%, I might just hold long term. Bada bing, bada boom. Chronos is not on Kepler. Yeah, I know, but I'm saying I have to make a Chronos wallet, right? And then transfer it from Evmos, right? 2/3 and keep 1/3. Nice. Good strategy, Mark. Staking some Juno raw pool. Yep, read that already. Think it's a good idea, Matt. Guys, that's basically, other than I just want to, I know I keep saying this. I promise you guys, I didn't get any kind of allocations from them at all. I do want to I'm going to look this way, and it's on you guys to do your due diligence and look that way if you want to as well. But guys, I'm going to remind you guys one more time. Sif Ascension, don't sleep on it. I've been super happy with what's happening with Rowan, even throughout all of this craziness, guys. Again, I'm just going to show it to you guys one more time. Sif Ascension, don't sleep on it. But yeah, just letting you guys know. Nick, was that subtle, or was that too obvious?
No, I don't think it's obvious at all.
Sif Ascension.
Just if you're not in it, you don't want to miss it. I'll put it that way.
Man, hold on 1 second. Let's take a look at this. I can only be real with you guys, transparent. Earlier when I got in, I have whole different separate holdings of Sifchain, a whole bunch of Rowan. But this is the one I share with you guys all the time. You guys know I put $5,000 just recently into the DEX for anticipation of the ascension. Now we can't even say it. But let's take a look. Let's take a look together at how it's doing right now throughout all of this volatility, throughout all this. Look at this.
That's pretty good.
That's freaking fantastic. You guys saw, guys, I put it in not too long ago, $5,000. It's now at 65.92 passively. I haven't done squat diddly hoo-ha. I've just put it in and set it and forget it. And that's on the Rowan USD pool. Look, y'all can choose to do your homework, like listen to the hints that we're throwing out there, or you can just be rogues and do you guys. Whichever the case is fine with us. You do you, boo. Like, we're not always right. We're not always geniuses. But most of the time, I'm pretty damn smart, at least when it comes to my money. I ask my wife about personal stuff because she might say that I'm pretty dumb about a lot of things. But with money, I'm pretty freaking good. And I'm telling you guys, there's some things that we can't let out of the bag just yet. But we know for a fact that the Rowan team or the Sifchain team is working on, guys. I'm telling y'all. But yeah, that's basically all we got right now. Oh, I didn't even look at hold on. We didn't even look at that earlier. 10K portfolio. It probably looks like hot garbage. Work for me? Work for me. Work for me? Why is it not working? Hold on. It's trying. It's trying. Just
What's
like
today? Wednesday? It knows.
Yeah, I know. It does. Same. Put about 4,200 in a CPL months ago now. So there you go, Michael. There you go, son. Yeah, my 1K in USD Rowan is now 30. See, guys, I love it. Making gains even throughout this bearness. Making gains.
Make sure you take your profit, though.
Yeah, make sure you guys are realizing profits, though, for sure. You don't want to see it go and then leave and then go and then leave. And all this. Looks like something went wrong. Well, I can tell you guys right now,
It's down.
10K profit or 10K portfolio. There you go. It's down. It's basically at the same thing as what we saw yesterday, actually, to be honest with you. Same thing as yesterday. Look at this Rowan pool. Oh, the only thing keeping this whole thing alive right now. Oh,
It's almost at 15 cents. Man.
Louise, guys. Rowan to $1. Yes, please.
Oh, yeah.
Give it to me now. Don't think it can't happen either, guys. Don't think it can't happen. But yeah, guys, that's what we got right now. Guys, we got anything you want to talk about? Some AMA, some charting, some anything you guys want? What you want to do? What you guys want to do? What you guys want to do?
I think taking a peek at crypto.com, Chronos, a little bit here. I think it's coming down to levels where if you haven't bought any, you should probably buy some.
38.55. 38.55. All right, let's see here.
It's going to get a little lower, but like, just keep your eye on it.
Look how it's riding that like previous wick. I'm going by wicks, right? All wicks matter, guys. And I'm just cutting through the body of price action right here. Look at how we're sitting on it right now. Look at that. Look at that, my friends.
Have you been buying anymore?
I'm actually waiting for 35, and then I'm going to buy a buttload, guys. Like, not financial advice, but I'm letting you guys know I'm going to buy a buttload. So for me, I've bought and made a lot of money on Crow many times throughout the past 2 years. And I have a certain way that I actually attack my Crow. I was fortunate enough. This is one of the few times actually for Crow that I sold the tippy top. I sold the top when I bought in right around. Initially I bought in from 40 all the way up to about 55, and then like it was like 20K deep, and then I sold at the very top of almost $1. And then right now I'm waiting to basically repeat that same process again. But this time, again, I want to get it in a little better position than my initial flip that I did. So I'm waiting to get in and start dollar cost averaging 35. And then I'm going to dollar cost average every 2 cents below. I'll start dollar cost averaging even more and more and more and more and more, reinforcing my positions if it gives it to me. Again, I think honestly 35 to about 30 is going to be, and that's just basically, recent floor. It might not even get to 30, but I'm prepared to start dollar cost averaging basically through here, right on through here, guys.
Are you going to be staking or no?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Heck yeah. I'm staking. I'm still, a portion of it I will, and then again, I want to be fluid enough to be able to realize profits on some of it, right? So I probably will stake 50% of it, and I'm going to be buying enough of it to where it's a significant amount anyway. But yeah, to be honest with you, what I'll be doing is just adding to my, I already have a staking amount that I have in a separate wallet. I'll be adding to that staking amount. So it's just me compounding more for my long-term staking. But yeah. But yeah, that's just me. What do you guys think about Crow? I think Crow has crazy potential. I will say this. We Nick and I talked about this, and you guys might crucify us, whatever. But I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I think Crypto.com and I think FTX have major plays happening here soon. So both of their tokens I want to be in on, especially once this whole bearish crap gets out of the way. Later, Crypto Moto. Shout outs to you, my friend. Who do you stake your Crow with? Who do I stake my Crow with?
I stake mine with Stakely.
Stakely.io. Shout outs to Stakely.io, guys. Oh, by the way, we need to go check. We're going to do our due diligence. We're going to go check on who has been a naughty boy and who has been a good boy.
I think apparently a lot of people have been voting no. Really? That's what I heard on Twitter. I don't know if it's true or not.
We got to check it out, man. We got to check it out. That didn't good. That is not. Hold on. Actually, let's do that right now. Is it Mintscan? Mintscan or AtomScan? That's better to look at that. Let's go take a look at that, guys. How are these validators voting for our Juno prop? We got to know. 1347. Look at you. 72% still voting yes. We got 2 more days. Interesting. So interesting. Bro and Bro voted no. Didn't we just watch them vote yes the other day? Hold on. Where's this validators? Validator votes. Ooh, Bro and Bo voted no. Club staking.
Who voted no?
Wow, okay. Guys, know your validators. Blacklist them. Honestly, I'm at the point now, I'm just like, nope. Bro and Bro, you make such good tools for people. I'm sad to see that. That was today, 6 hours ago. I'm sad to see that. Club staking. Block you. Stake Lab. Chill Valid. These are the same people from the other day. Interesting. Omnifix voted yes. Good for you, Omnifix. Stakesito voted yes. Good for him. Demi voted yes. Good. Notional. Yep. Jabby voted yes. Good. Did not vote yet. So we, excuse me. So we still have Pro Validator, Chorus One, Sentinel, Stakefish. How did they vote? Friends did not vote yet. Guys, DeFi times, they are partners with friends. You guys got to watch these people, man. You guys got to watch these people who actually has, I don't want to say who has your best interest in mind, but you got to watch. You got to watch some of these people, man. Strange Love Ventures, Crow's Nest. I really hope Crow's Nest votes yes, because I'll have to change some delegations if you don't. Strange Love. How many of you guys are How many of you guys think Strangelove is actually going to vote yes or no? I think they'll probably vote no.
So I also kind of look at the abstain as like voting no.
Yeah. Yep. Cosmo Station abstained. Cosmo Station is such an OG too. Man. StakePile, all nodes, chain nodes, Murkies. These are smaller validators. Man. Stop CCN from getting new tokens. I think we need 67 validators to implement the code, right? I mean, regardless of how they vote, here's my thing. Regardless of how they vote, like, I know some of them have said like, oh, if it happens that way, I just won't validate the chain anymore. Go take your fucking, I gotta stop swearing. Take your ball and go play in a different field. Then, like, your job as a validator is to do a couple of things, and I get it, but in my humble opinion, it is to uphold the votes of the people. So, like, if you don't want to do that, then take your ball and go somewhere else. That's your right. It's totally fine. I get it. But like, it's such, in my mind, kind of a pouty little way to be like, I didn't vote the way I want to vote. No, I'm not going to do this anymore then. Kind of like, bro, come on. Anyway, like, I just think it's kind of, it's kind of weird. Find validator that doesn't publicize their vote beyond blockchain explorers. Quite sus. Yeah. Yep. Jerks tank, you know that the well will keep its unclaimed tokens, right? So after this prop, he will still have 350. That's fine. Whatever. That's totally fine. Like, it's not a perfect, like, I understand that it's not a perfect, you can't write code to be like, it's unfortunately is contradictory to what a lot of people think. Code is not perfect. It's still subject to the parameters that you can write it, right? But yeah, like, it's fine. Keep your 350. Do what you want to do. You know, you're going to dump your 350 to be mad or whatever it is, then do it. Or go back and stake it or do whatever you want to do. That's fine. You still be a freaking well. Like, at 350, like, you're still a freaking well, right? If you say that, you know, you have the network health in mind and you're community member, we'll see. But like, again, I'm still long-term bullish on Juno. Guys, if Juno, let's actually go ahead and take some time and go take a look at some of the charts real quickly, because I know a lot of people would like to see that, guys. Long-term for Juno, excuse me. Still really, really bullish for him. This is where I'm like, guys, I will be a whale if it comes down to $7. And I will definitely reinforce my position if it goes down anywhere below $4. Like 100% will. But yeah, I'm looking like 10 to about $7. Give it to me. I'm willing to call, like, I'm willing to almost say, call people's bluff. Try to sell it. Try to suppress the price down there. See how many people buy it. See how many people are like-minded like me. I'm willing to bet that there's a ton of people that are like-minded like me, with enough capital as well, like me, or more, by far, and will now reposition themselves to also benefit from the Juno network, and being in Juno long-term.
You want to get a little conspiracy here?
Yeah, go for it.
I think we're going to get down to those ranges, and I think Coinbase is going to make a humongous buy.
Coinbase, Binance, all of them.
KuCoin, yeah, all of them.
All of them. Kraken, like, guys. Yeah, that's yeah. Wolf just seems like the slimiest POS I've seen on Twitter. I will agree. Like, there was so many I've said this so many times. There's so many faults from all sides, But yeah, I'm not here to, and I think right now pretty much everybody's beyond it as well, to where we're picking and choosing who's the slimiest and who's the like scummiest like personality or person involved in this. Like, I think most people are just like want to be done with this already. To some extent want to be done with this because we're obviously never be done with it. But yeah, Juno got competition coming soon. Archway. Yeah, Archway's a strong project too. We got to make a video about Archway. We talked about it the other day. But yeah, there's still things in the pipes or in the tubes that are going to be coming for our ecosystem that people don't sleep on them, guys. Don't sleep on them. GNO or no has me super excited as well. Super excited as well. So yeah, like Juno is not the end all be all last thing, but I will reinforce my position, and and I think there's many other people who are also going to be of like mind. So I don't know. That's just how I feel about Juno, guys. Moving on though, Stargaze at 9 cents, 9.5 actually right now. Did that Osmo buy now? We'll take a look at that in a second. Did Nick, did that one projects finally sell out? Let's take a look.
I got some pretty cool ones, I'm not gonna lie.
I think they did. Yep. Sold out. Bada boom. Sold out.
I think that was a good project, honestly.
Yeah, it was regardless, it was a cute project. It was like, that was projects like that were fun. Super fun. Themey projects and stuff like that where you could like show your bullishness on it and stuff like that. Like I can get behind it. Some of these other stuff I'm just like, what? Like I'm not fudding nothing, but I'm just like, I'm not, without stopping on some things, I'm like, what? But anyway, I digress. CMDX, Psalms, buy or skip. CMDX, I'm super bullish on. They have to fix and not fix. They have to deploy and launch. But guys, apparently CMDX is going to have stable. Honestly, I actually have it up right now to kind of share it with you guys. I've been playing around on their testnet this whole time, guys. Like I think their testnet has been pretty damn cool. Like it's been really cool. The only thing criticism I have is that the fonts are really small, but that's just because I'm old. But I think CMDX has a really good future headed in front of like a look. And even if I was actually in, I would have been making money actually. Like it was just at 10.6, now it's at 10.7. Like if I can get into some synthetic assets, and on top of that, they're going to have lending and borrowing, and then all this other stuff on their platform. I think they might do I think they might do really well. I do want to say, like, as I'm thinking about it, I really do wish, I know things have kind of like evolved and grown into what it is for CMDX, but I really do wish they would have just focused on synthetics and just kind of hammered that because they had me at the word synthetics. It's kind of like I don't want to say, it's my humble opinion, that they're spreading themselves too thin, but now you're getting into a lot of other modules and mechanisms and functions for your platform. And anytime you add more and more things to a pot, like obviously the more chances you have to F them up. But that's not to say that they are going to mess them up. They have a good team. They're working slowly about it. But I think if they can launch just the synthetics part of things, I think they have a really good shot at doing some really good work within not just our ecosystem, but within the crypto space. But yeah, CMDX under $1 is, it's under $1. Frick, it's under a freaking dollar.
It's kind of a steal.
Yeah, it's kind of a steal. Like if you just split up your DCA like I do by 4s, take it by every quarter, and like reinforce every position with more positions going down, it's a no-brainer. It's pretty easy. I know I am. I'm buying some more CMDX at certain levels. I'm waiting actually for 90 to 85. Not that saying that we're going to get there, but then again, like I'm just laddering all the way down. But yeah, even XPRT, because they're kind of like tied together a little bit in a weird way. Phenomenal project, working really, really well. Guys, Akash, let's just say this. Would really, really love to see. Do you guys know that AWS has been sending out emails to the Akash team inquiring about partnerships? Guys, if could you imagine Akash getting any kind of support or any kind of partnership happening with these main centralized systems like AWS and Google Cloud and all that stuff? Like, oh my God. Oh my God. That's literally out there. Go check it out on Twitter. Akash has put it out there. Like that is
It's on our Discord too.
Yeah, it's on our join our Discord. Join our Discord if you guys want to be smart people. Yeah, you guys, or if you guys want to be smarter people. Yeah, I said it. Coming to our Discord will make you better. I think. Humble opinion. Maybe not. But yeah, it's super, super bullish. And like, does this not look like a flooring by price action? Oh my gosh. Like, whoo, guys.
It's starting to make that bull.
Yeah. So, man, like, oh, if I just go over here and take a look at Akash, I've been charting Akash. Actually, take a look at my SMA strategy, guys, how it wicked down here, perfectly down here. Yeah, it could come down there again, but like perfectly down there. I was able to actually realize profits like you guys don't even know. Boom. Look at this. Boom. Stay fluid. Immediately 115%. 115%. That's just, that was in like 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Come on, baby, say you love me. 5, 6, 7 times. I'm so old. You guys don't even know that song. You guys don't even know that song. Gloria, tell them, baby. But yeah, I got 109 Akash for $100. Guys, I'm telling you, don't sleep on Akash. But yeah, going into another token on. Look at LeBron. 11.
Just going on.
10. Price change. 14 cents. Oh, love it. Love it. Oh, love it. We got to talk about osmosis. Guys.
Might be time to DCA.
It is time to DCA. That's what I was going to say, guys. I really do think, just look at the charts right here, guys. Previous support. What is on my neck? I feel like something was crawling on my neck. Little, get it off here. Previous support right here. And it also, look, bam, bam, previous resistance, previous support, all kind of lining up right here. I think between where we are right now and about $4, good DCA place, guys, for Osmosis. If you guys weren't in beforehand, don't forget, we have a third thing happening. And you're talking about Sonny in the team, regardless of what you feel like with Sonny. Like Sonny's like our Elon Musk as far as like being controversial and tweeting when it comes to our ecosystem and stuff like that, right? Like regardless of how you guys feel about what he says and when he says and how he says things, you got to understand he's one of the brightest minds working in our space right now. This is his baby. We have a third thing happening. We have so many developments happening for the Osmo token and for the protocol, for the Osmosis protocol and platform in itself here shortly. Don't sleep on it. Do not sleep on that at all, guys. Like honestly, what is that? What is that right now? We can go right here, back up to $10. Like honestly, no, it doesn't go all the way back. But we were at 10 freaking bucks.
I think if you switch it from 15-minute, if you go up to a higher time frame, I think you can do it.
Yeah.
No.
Still did it. But it's easy. Like from price action right here, because all we care about is percent gains, right? It's talking about 119% gain possible. It could definitely happen. It can definitely happen when things get more scarce. What usually happens with the price of that asset? It usually goes up, right? Harder to come by, harder to get, harder to accrue or compound. So don't sleep on it, guys. Do not sleep on it. And the thing that separates raw, as far as like Osmosis and a Dex token and reward token, all stuff, Osmosis can literally morph and change into things. It has smart contract capability. It's still there. It's there. It's crazy. Moving on though. Take a look at Secret 2. Yeah. We just talked about Secret not too long ago. My humble opinion, guys, honestly, like, I'm bullish on Secret. But like, guys, how many times has Secret like launched something and then like I know a lot of this example is for like NFTs and stuff like that, but like how many times have they launched something with like just freaking problems? And I'm like, I really do think if they can just iron out some things, Secret, Shade, Silk, all of that stuff, especially them, will do really, really well. I do want to say this as well. I know a lot of people are like, you know, privacy coins, all this other stuff. Like they're so bullish with what's happening out there right now in the space. Privacy coins is going to be this big thing. At the same time, you guys understand, right, that like a vast majority of people do not give a F. Let's just be real about it. Like the vast majority of people care about simplicity, time, and how much it's going to cost them. They don't care about their privacy. It's evident because it's the day-to-day way that we live and the way that we've been living as a whole speaks for itself. Like the vast majority of people in crypto are not going to get into a privacy situation, you know, for the sake of defying the man. Like, I know a lot of people are like, oh, for privacy, for and stuff like that, we're going to hide and stuff like that. The vast majority of people don't give a flying rip about that, to be honest with you. So, like, when people say, like, that's what's going to drive mass adoption for privacy coins, the trend is our friend until it's not. And the vast majority of people, although I do wish that they would be smarter and jump on board because I am on that train. I believe in privacy. I believe in the need for them. I believe in that whole narrative. I don't believe in the people's ability, the vast majority of mass appeal for people and them to adopt that. I mean, people are sheep. I'm not saying that as a political thing. People are quiet sheeps, even if you're conservative or a liberal. Like, it doesn't matter. The vast majority of people are very sheepish when it comes to their habits in life. Like, if you're telling them that you can hide things by using secret network, the vast majority of people are going, I'm not going to do that. You mean I can get in trouble? Like that's how they're going to view that. So I don't know, like I've been really bullish on secret, on privacy coins, on that whole narrative and stuff like that. But like when you have a hard time launching things, and then or have a hard time committing to what you say you're going to do when you do launch things, or say when you are going to launch things, it's hard for me to believe that like there's going to be enough liquidity that comes pouring into that ecosystem or in that narrative or in that space that's going to stick around long. Like maybe like we've seen it right here. Like this, it's on the charts right now. And it happened just recently too, back in April. Like you cannot, like from $4.64, if we even run up to like $7, close to $7, that's a huge percent gain. That's huge. So don't ignore like everything I'm saying right now, don't ignore what's on the charts. Could very well happen. But I'm talking about like long-term sustainability and keeping it there. Like, obviously we've not been able to do that just by looking, like, just look at the charts, and we haven't been able to sustain that narrative and that hopium, I would say. So like, I don't know. Like I agree. Like, I think secret network, smart contracts within Shade, Silk, all that stuff have huge upside potential. So I'm not trying to be someone's saying two different things with their mouth, but like, I also have a hard time believing that privacy right now is going to be the next big narrative. Like, you know how people are like, it was DeFi, it was NFTs, it was this, it was that. Like, some people are saying like privacy is the next big thing.
It's gaming. Come on now.
Yeah, I think it's going to be something more simplistic, like gaming. Gaming has a way easier way to get into the market because it's already there. It's like, it's more organic. It's easy. But it's not to say. Don't take me that I'm not a secret bear and all this stuff. Like, I'm not. I'll buy some right now just to prove my point. But like, I don't know. I just kind of wanted to talk about that because a lot of people, like, they beat that drum, like, and they don't care what anybody else says. Like, privacy for the sake of privacy. I'm like, the vast majority of people don't care to go above and beyond. Like, they don't. That's why we don't have mass adoption in crypto just yet. Like they just don't. And or they don't want to fight government regulation. Like they don't want to hide things from people. They're scared to death of it, you know? But yeah, I just kind of want to rant a little bit about that. And it's not to say, I'm not, going against anybody in chat or anything like that, but I am bullish on Secret. I am bullish on Shade. I'm bullish on Silk and whatnot. I'm bullish on the potential that they have. But looking at the charts right now, we can go here and take a look at Secret because I've been charting it. They have some more room to go down. Definitely have more room to go down. Right now, though, it does look like maybe a good buying opportunity. Green dot, RSIs are pointing or trying to flatten out and point back up. We are still in a negative money flow. So if I was to actually on the daily, to be honest with you, if I was to have gotten RSIs pointing up, green dot, positive money flow, like real curvature coming back up, I might actually be buying here shortly for Secret. So I just kind of want to, throw it out there. No, I agree. Privacy will come with institutional adoption. Yeah. I can't even access my own medical data because of ransomware scams. Are you using any tax software for Cosmos, Juno, Sif? I've been actually just tracking it. It's admittingly a headache. But yeah, I just Excel or Google Sheet it. I have an accountant that hates me though. So yeah. Well, I have accountants. I have the whole team because I lump all of my stuff in with my medical profession, my medical companies and real estate and all this other stuff. So I'm fortunate enough to be able to just throw that headache on them. I do pretty good though at keeping a general tally of, what goes in, what I'm getting and what things are at. I suggest you guys do that too. Don't not track things. Don't not track things. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, what's up, BitSource? But they don't have to do anything because they bribe my senators and congressmen with their profits. What are we talking about? Grace Harbor Hospital and University of Washington are responsible. Just wait until all of that's on blockchain. Seriously. Just wait until all of that stuff is on blockchain. Ooh. Go ahead.
By the way, so they asked, do you have a top 5 coins that you're looking out for, or that you're going to be
just the Cosmos ecosystem, or everything?
Yeah, no, just Cosmos. I asked the same question.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Oh, hold on, let me get rid of this. So, excuse me. Not all of them are on this list, but obviously Osmosis, Atom, June. Well, you know what? You guys want the obvious? Because I can't the ones that I'm looking out for is GNO or no. I'm looking to really get a little bit more. You guys might think I'm crazy, but more Comdex when it dips down a little bit further. I'm looking to get more Secret. Just speaking about Secret. So those are my top 3 right off the bat that I've been looking at. I don't want to put in Juno. I don't want to put in Osmosis. I don't want to put in Cosmos because you guys know I'm super bullish on those. But yeah, Archway, I want to get, I'm looking into that. And then to be honest with you, I'm looking at a bridge token. Alexar, I would love to get me some Alexar, but just because I think it's going to be the bridge of Osmosis. I don't necessarily agree with the tokenomics and all that stuff. I don't and it's an iffy, I should say, 5th on my list to buy because I don't really like the structure. I don't really like the way. I don't really like the tokenomics of it. It's just, it is what it is. I'll just say, I don't really like it for that. But GNO, I'm looking out for that. Secret, I'm looking out for to add more. Comdex, I'm looking to add more. Obviously, Sifchain. I'm not going to even, F it. I can't even give you guys 5. There's so many right now. But yeah, I can't even give you guys 5. But Sifchain, if you guys are sleeping on it, I'm telling you, don't sleep on it. And then, our buddy Secret Sam put us on to this. Guys, I'm being very, very honest with you guys. E-Money or NGM, don't sleep on that. Do not sleep on NGM, guys. NGM is, it has some strong potential. And then I was trying to think of another one. It's on Crow. Yeah, like I said earlier, I'm grabbing some more Crow. So what did I say, Nick? I said Crow, I said CMDX, GNO, NGM, what else did I just say, guys? That was 4. I had a 5th. Oh, and it's a teeter-tot 5th, but like if Alexar is going to be our bridge, like, then yeah, I want to buy it, but like only because of that fact. I don't want to buy it for any other reason. Psalm, not so much, man. Not so much. I really wasn't in Psalm, and it could just be me. I might miss the bus on that one. I might miss the bus on Psalm. That's fine. I have me some Psalm already, to be honest with you. I'm just not like their sellers and stuff like that and what they're doing on their platform. Great. But like, gosh, we got so many EVM compatible dexes now, that are out there. Like,
But Sifchain's already had it.
Sifchain, yeah, but their Peggy already has it, and they,
It's been out for 2 years.
You're talking
no
about
one's used.
Crescent. Like, I think it's coming. I think Sifchain is coming too. I don't know. I don't know when Alexar will be purchasable. That's another thing too. Like, so Stargaze. Like, honestly, I'm super bullish on. Don't discredit that too. I'm super bullish on Stargaze, guys. Super bullish on Stargaze. I think they have a fantastic platform. Obviously, everything has their things that we can talk about that's wrong. Like, honestly, like, not having their marketplace out fully launched yet and all this other stuff, kind of bad. And the way that they weren't able to manage, and that was kind of the growing pains and stuff like that, but they weren't able to manage their listings for some of these projects and how long they have to wait before they can actually, claim all their sale rewards and stuff like that. Yeah. But, you live and you learn and you build. Stargaze, I think, is phenomenal. Shout out to the Stargaze team, guys. Don't sleep on them either. But yeah, like, and then outside of the obvious, Juno, Luna, Cosmos, I'm very much accumulating those. But Archway, oh yeah, that's what Archway. Don't sleep on Archway, guys. Don't sleep on that. Evmos, yeah, I'm bullish on Evmos too, but like, again, we've already seen, I always say things with caveat, right? Like, you got to launch, and you got to launch pretty smooth. And you got to launch with as little of bumps as you possibly can for your users. And we've already had a pretty damn good bump with Evmos. So right now, I'm just kind of like, I'm just sitting back. I'm going to stake. I'm going to go check out Chronos and see what I can do there with it. But, I'm expecting there to be a dip down, just like with every launch, right? Like, it's easy to see with Osmosis, and this is what a lot of people are expecting with Raw. I'm expecting kind of the same thing, like pump, right? All this people that didn't get it might FOMO in no matter how much you tell them, like, there's going to be a dump, but pump and then dump. And then, like, market finds actual true price action or actual value for the token, which for Osmosis was right around $1.10. This is what I'm looking to buy, guys. So pump, dump. I'm looking to buy more Raw, more Evmos. Same thing is going to happen. I don't care what anybody says about it. Like, I'm so bullish on all these other things. Like, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. Don't think it's not going to happen. Definitely. The only one that did not happen, honestly, the only one that did not happen, I mean, but we're dealing with our own things right now, was Juno. Juno just pumped. So, like, when it launched, you better have bought. But then it found a floor, per se, and it never came down to its bottom when it launched. So, like, really,
Psalm is kind of the same.
No, it's not. Psalm sucked. Psalm absolutely sucked. And that's one of the reasons why I don't want to buy it, to be honest with you. So if you go take a look at Psalm, it's because there's pre-allocations, pre-sales, and all this other stuff, and like people got sold into, as far as like where the frick is my Psalm?
I think it's next page.
It's I'm on 100.
Oh, you're on
Let me find you.
There it is. 20.
Oh, they changed the little. They changed their.
That wasn't the
logo thing. Look at that, making all fancy dancy. Like, Psalm did not launch like, wait, hold on. Where's Psalm? Is it Psalm that I'm thinking about, or is it something else I was thinking about?
I think you're thinking about something else because some it had a pretty good pump right when it first came out,
Am I
and then
thinking
it
about
dumped.
something else? Hold on. What was I thinking about then?
Umi?
Oh, it was Umi. No, yeah. I'm sorry. Totally apologize, Sam. I apologize to you. Let me whisper in your ear something nice. I didn't mean it, baby. I was just joking. Yeah, totally thought about something else, guys. Still trying to get over this fog brain. Was not thinking about Sam. Totally apologize. Sam just pumped. Yeah, that's a good example as well. Sam just pumped. But then it's come back down. So but I'm still waiting. I'm actually still waiting to see, if I can get this bottom right here of this second day. Like, was this? Yeah, second day, right around $1.50-ish to $2. Like, I would love to buy more right there. And we actually just got kind of low in that range back here on April 11th. So, like, could absolutely happen again, especially with the setup that's happening. But Umi, let me bring it back. Umi was the one that I did not like. And yeah, I should actually apologize one more time. I apologize, Sam. I was thinking about Umi the whole time. Umi, I absolutely hated. I absolutely hate it because look at that. People just got sold right into. Bleh, everybody die. Everybody die. Like, that was freaking horrible. That was freaking horrible. But yeah. Probs Umi. Yeah, it was Umi, guys. Sam has to be the first time I've ever sold the top. Nice, Brent. I don't know. I'm just, I played along on their testnet or with their sellers and all this stuff. Like, I just wasn't like, I might miss some. I do already have me some Sam. Luckily I did buy when it first released, but like, I'm just not, it doesn't pull me for some reason. It just doesn't pull me. Do you guys think I'm crazy for that? It just does not pull me in that direction. 30K is the floor. So many people will buy it up. Nuclear war or not, retail and institutions. I think 30K is, like I said, Dave, I agree. What's up, Sam? Guys, let's put pressure on Secret Sam. When are we going to have you on, Sam? Let's put it down. Let's put it down right now. Let's put it down on the books. Next week? You want to do next week? What is today? It's Thursday. Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday.
Yeah, I don't even know. He's literally in every project. Yeah. But yeah, guys. What do y'all think? Tank not talking about XPRT as he fills his bags up. No, I bought some XPRT as well. The only thing I don't like about persistence is, well, and I'll say this because we said this in the very beginning of when we made IBC Gang YouTube channel. One of the biggest things that I absolutely hate about the Cosmos ecosystem is we lack promotion. Like, don't you guys agree? Like, we really do lack. This whole reason why we made this channel is so that we can start promoting more and more and more IBC related protocols, more Cosmos ecosystem related stuff, because the protocols, the companies, the projects and stuff like that, I mean, other than Twitter and stuff like that, do real kind of a piss poor job at, like, bring the pizzazz, bringing the market and bringing the people and turning heads and stuff like that. You look at other projects like Solana, Ethereum, AVAX, and all these, like Crow does, they're in our ecosystem, but Crow does a great job. Like, they market, they put it out there. People are excited. You take a look at ADA. Like, I'm sorry, I don't care what you guys think about ADA, but ADA's like still waiting. But how many people got into ADA just purely on speculation because the hype train was there? Like, we have a piss poor marketing initiative, and we wanted to do that by starting a channel here and bringing more attention to the Cosmos ecosystem and stuff like that. So, but yeah, like, persistence, I hate to say it, but like, if I wasn't already looking, like, I would know nothing about XPRT. Nobody talks about it. When was the last video that was made about XPRT? Nobody talks about it. CMDX2. Like, seriously, how many videos? Go look at it in YouTube right now. Don't do it now, but we'll do it later. Like, look at some of these projects and go type in, when was the last time somebody made a project about some of these great protocols? you know, not very much. Not very much.
Sam said he was down for next week, by the way.
What day you want, my friend? Listen, I'm to a date. We start at 9:15 Central Time. I'll buy you coffee.
Wow, look at this guy blowing the budget.
Yeah. It's gonna be K cup though. Just let you guys. Donut shop from Costco. That's what I have in my house. Just letting you know, it's pretty good though. I will not be cheap though with my creamer. Irish cream all the way. You get the good stuff. That's the only thing I ever touch in my coffee. Irish creamer. You guys don't know that Irish creamer. Ooh, man, I drink that even when I got Rona, flu, whatever it is. It's so good. I don't even care. Let's do it. You guys, let's hype train Monday up. Everybody loves Monday. Sam. No,
Tuesday or what?
Let's do Tuesday. Sooner rather than later. Let's do Tuesday. Tuesday, we're going to have Sam on, guys. Sam, you talk to my people, our people talk to your people and all that stuff. You just join us on Discord. Guys, let's do it. But yeah, guys, that's what I got right now. Other than that, I'm just kind of goofing off. I'm all about talking about 25-cent cake up from Costco. Sam, we might as well ask, guys, do you guys in chat or anybody have anything you guys want to share? Anything that we should be taking a look at before we get off the live stream today? By the way, tomorrow we'll go back to 9:15. But do you guys have anything you guys want to share? Any kind of like alpha or anything you guys want to know? Any levels on the charts that we should be taking a look at, guys? 2 brain cells. I love it. That's about all I got right now too. Love it. That's all about this. That's seriously, Nick. That's all about what I got right now. I've been blowing my nose so much, dude. I'm pretty sure my brain is out. Nick, you got anything you want to add?
Not really. I'm looking at more of outside the ecosystem right now. So
Tell us real quick before we get off, guys. What are you looking at?
XRP. Don't sleep.
Don't sleep. No, okay. Wait. Actually, let's do this before we get off, guys. We're cosmonauts through and through. Outside of the Cosmos ecosystem, what are you looking for? Give us 5 things. 5 things you're looking for. Meta worst chart in Cosmos. Yeah.
Seriously.
Oh, we don't want to talk about that.
You know what? If they pass that proposal that they have for like creating that other token called Jupiter, I think that will be.
They will. They will. They'll get their. Eventually, they'll get their ducks in a row, guys. It's a slow process. It's horrible, but I think they will.
Yeah.
But come on, what you got? 5 of them outside of the Cosmos ecosystem. Sam says, "Get XRP out your mouth, out your mouth," like Will Smith said, "Out your mouth." What do you guys got? Tell us in chat, guys. 5 projects outside of the Cosmos ecosystem. What are you guys looking at? Sam's getting Glimmer.
Yeah, Glimmer.
Theta.
That's a good one.
There you go. Theta. I'm bullish on Theta. I like Theta. I used to be a huge Twitch streamer, guys. Huge Twitch streamer. I used to be a fitness streamer. Used to stream without my shirt on and all that stuff. I was fishing. I was fishing for those views, guys. I did really well, actually. I did really well. You know what I should do? I should do a stream, Nick, where getting to know Tank, getting to know Nick. Who are they? Maybe I know you like to stay in the background, but I don't know. I should show y'all someday. BTC, Chills, Matic, Rose. Rose just got listed on Coinbase. MMF, Flux, nice. Stone Cold, Ape. You're gonna get some Ape coin.
Ooh.
You're gonna get some Ape coin. Gala, I like that, Scott. Gala, guys.
Gala, baby.
Nick and I bought some Gala music nodes actually when they first popped. Be on the lookout for that.
Snoop Dogg, he endorsed it on the Nelk Boys podcast. I don't know how much you guys watch other media, but
yeah, that was interesting.
Just so you know,
that was interesting. Matic, Gala, Polypad, Flare Launchpad, July 4th. Azrael, A0, Azero. I don't know how to say that. Nice. I like what I'm liking what I'm seeing, guys. You gotta be it's funny. I say you gotta be diversified. You guys gotta also understand, just because you buy crypto outside of other ecosystems doesn't really mean you're being diversified. Like, being diversified would literally mean like, go buy some gold, go buy some land, oil, like stuff like that. That's not exactly the same thing. Like you're just buying crypto. Like you're not really diversified. Even though I'll say, like when I say I'm well diversified in the crypto space as far as my allocations go. Please also consider, guys, diversifying outside of the space. If crypto dips, you dip, we dip, we all dip. That's how it's going to go. So it's really no diversification and hedging against the dip in this market. But I am loving what I'm seeing right now, guys. Net boys, I'm all in Rubets. BCH, nice. I'm actually, so for me, obviously, you guys can say what you guys want. Solana, ETH, AVAX, the big ones, right? Even, y'all might kill me. ADA gets to a certain level, I'll buy me some more ADA too, guys. I don't care. I care about money. That's what I care about. And Zcash. I'm looking at Zcash outside of our secret network privacy token. I'm looking at Zcash.
Litecoin's under 100.
Your Litecoin, Link. I'm looking at those. And then of course, Theta's a good buy. Like I like Theta. I like Theta. Theta's a little ahead of their time. What else we got here? You can't sleep on H-bar. Honestly, you can't sleep on H-bar. Can't sleep on H-bar.
I mean, you can't sleep on Doge at this point, right? Mr. Elon buying
really,
Twitter.
You really can't. You really freaking can't, which is such a shame. I would love to sleep on Doge finally, just like put it to rest. But like, honestly, you can't. What is Doge at right now? Didn't it pump? It pumped, didn't it? Where's it at? Where the frick is my Doge?
I think it's a little lower on your chart.
You saw it somewhere, right? Yeah, I had it here. There. Boom. It did. Look at that. Bam, bam. Pumpity, pumpity, pump. I just can't, though. I can't. Rune. Yep, Rune. Guys. Near is gaining a crap ton of steam right now. I was going to say, you got to look at like, basically what Near has done, guys, is they've taken the Luna Terra whole like thesis and like hyperdrived it. But yeah, guys, like look at those ecosystems. Don't sleep on the Terra ecosystem. Look over there. Like Prism was fantastic. I'm down 60% on Juno and 40% on Atom, but I'm up on Shift. Nice. It's all just a matter of time, Dave. Black Tornado, like Near, AVAX, Gala, MMF, BTC, they're all good choices. Get ADA out your mouth. God, dude, I know. I just care about making money. I don't believe in it. And it's got to come down to quite a bit more for me to actually put it in my portfolio again.
50 cents.
50 cents. 50 cents. Would love to bury Doge. Yeah, I would love to bury it. Trias? I don't know how to say that, James. What do I think about Audius? I think Gala music is going to kill. Like, I honestly do. I think like Gala outside of our ecosystem and stuff like that, like I really do think Gala is going to kill it. So I would just go with Gala. Gala music is going to kill it. That's why I bought a freaking node, to be honest with you. So yeah. But that's all I got, guys. I don't want to keep dragging it on. I really appreciate you guys joining this late stream. Please stick around. Tomorrow we'll be back at 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you guys have not already, please like this video, subscribe. We make content each and every day, Monday through Friday, trying to give you guys our best thoughts and opinions about what's happening within the space, guys. Don't sleep on Evmos. Don't sleep on your rec drop. Don't sleep on everything that's out there right now, guys. Just because people are running fearfully in the streets, they're bleeding out, guys. That's when you guys should be capitalizing. Remember, you are an abuser in the relationship between your assets and your capital. Abuse the hell out of the assets. You want to be the bad guy. The market needs people like us. Needs bad guys. Be the bad guy.
Feel weird.
I'm serious, though. Get it in your minds. Anyway, guys, you guys take care. Be blessed. Peace. Get out of here, you filthy animals. Peace out. Get out of here.